Where is my file?
Your file is in your office, sir.
Okay, let me check.
Yes, sir.
No, you see, those people. Hello, wait. Nani? Sergeant.
Yes, sir.
Ezemoroka zibatadde bazo ozijjako sente.
Zino kundi aziriko.
Ani?
Okelo.
Okelo, watch out. I don't want Okelo to do that job.
Okelo yaziriko anti za bipapula.
Hey, okay.
Bipapula.
I can't put in the backyard.
Zona bipapula.
Okay, you bring them here. Bring them, come here.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, let them come. What is my pen? Who is looking like that? Come. Come in.
You don't know Fande.
Bulungi. How are you?
No, you Fande Nyombi.
Hey, Fande Nyombi, you know, he's out. He's in the field. He's not around.
He's not
the one. Or the other one is the OC traffic, okay? You see? And you see, OC traffic is not here. And we have operation, you see? So they are all in the field. You have Omusibe already? Or a suspect? No, you see, in Ugandan law, someone is not guilty until when he's proven guilty. So he's just a suspect. Okay? Yakozechi. Hello, who's at the counter? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Sepa.
Yes, sir.
Sepa, bring that man here. Who? Is he a man or a woman?
Omukozi.
Hey, Sepa.
Which man are you saying about?
No, Magame the woman. Bring a woman who's there. Is there a woman there, Sepa?
Yes.
You bring that woman in my office. You sit.
Wait.
Hello, you. Wait, get here. That's the problem. You are fighting a police officer. You are fighting a police officer on duty. Whom do you think you are? You are a suspect, moreover, and you are fighting a police officer on duty.
Come.
You sit there. Never ever do that again. Never try to fight a police officer on duty. Watch maneno. Mama, what's your problem? Tell me. Yes. Numizibwa? Where? What? Hey, what happened?
Oyo mukama wange.
Hey.
Bosi wange mukoledde okumala emyaka 7.
What, in the shop?
Ndi house girl we ngandi maid we.
Hey, house girl, okay.
Kati emyaka 7 kyotegeza wewe nyamaze zo 7 kyova oyagala ba.
Nyamaza wewe nitakufunga.
Yandoze.
Yakuloze?
Yandoze pata sino.
Watch. Don't cry. Hello, Nani, wait. You keep quiet. You see, with the police, we don't deal with the dogo. Okay? That one we don't deal with dogo. Where evidence? Don't cry. Tell me. You young girl. Hello. This is the police, okay? You don't cry from here like that, okay? You make noise, I'll put you inside. Make statement properly. You're not giving statement and you're just crying. Tell me what happened. Yeah? How did you start? Why she close?
Yampayiriza nandoga.
Tewamwagadde oyo ali ku musajja wange olwokuba nkoledde emyaka 7 kati kitegeeza nti ne basogoyina omulabirira ne mu byayambala mu byafumbiro ne mu kisenge.
Hello, let's go slow. This one is your maid.
Yes.
Wamusaze ne bawo.
Lubona.
Red-handed.
Lubona.
Auntie Lubona is red-handed. You tell me. Bawo no mwaga.
Wegana.
Hello.
Yegana.
Watch. Hello, wait, Nani, younger. What's your name?
Nakameme Nachuala, Nalmas, Nacho, Chingchongla, Nakamana.
Watch out. All those your names. Now tell me. So, it is true that amuloze? Wait, you go slow.
Namugambye bugambi nti tochiddangamu era bwe kuba kusembayo n'entambula ne muviira. Kati olomba nkuloze?
Why do you say bakuloze atenga you're lying?
Nasibye! Nyandoze, nasibye.
Atenga you're talking. Then you say wazibye.
Nasibye kidde.
Now this one is a very complicated case. What? How? Where? Who? Where? Di? What's the war? How? You have so many women. Don't cry. No. You see, let me tell you one thing. Wait, if you have a case, look here. Don't stop crying. If you have a case, say everything, okay? We need evidence. We need to know everything to open up a file. So who here say, okay? Tell me exactly what happened, where, how. Are you sure? Can that happen?
Yeah.
Can you do that?
What?
You bewitched? What was it?
Yeah.
Nze sinamulogako nakuloze nti antya apayiriza nze wamana mugambye bugambi kale weebale nnyo nnyabo era n'entambula n'enkola ki n'embaviira olwo mba nkuloze
nagenza okulaba nga nasibye.
Now you see, this woman, you should even thank this woman here. Because other people are so kutemako omutwe. But you just walked away.
Nemugamba bayi bweraba onkoze bubi naye onsasudde bubi emyaka 7 mulamba n'entambula ne muviira.
Don't cry from there. You don't cry. You see, bakuleta kolachi to look at the home, but don't love this your boss's husband. Now you're just crying here. Now, how did you discover that now to Ozi?
You can see.
Hey.
Yes.
How?
Oh,
where? How will I see? How will I know? You see, that case of bewitch. You see, we don't believe in that. That's what you are. We're wasting our time. Hey. You show us the evidence. You show the police. You show the police.
Are you sure what?
Where? How?
Evidence. Evidence. Ekizibiti. Ekizibiti. Police ebeyagala ekizibiti. Kiruwa.
But I've told you.
No, let's hear say. Sisobola genda ku hear say. I want
tetwagala tolodi.
I write. I open the file. I show. Where? How? Otia.
Tetwagala tolodi.
That's the waste of time. You can go.
Wamala yanziza office.
Don't waste our time. No. How? We don't send evidence everywhere. Let's go. Hey, stop!